In this video, we will talk about how to fix Wi-Fi not showing in settings on Windows 11. Method 1. Basic steps. First, click on Start and restart your computer. Alongside, turn off your Wi-Fi router for 30 seconds, then turn it back on. Method 2. Wi-Fi switch. Some laptops have a physical Wi-Fi switch. If it's off, then turn Wi-Fi on. And make sure airplane mode is turned off. Method 3. Enable Wi-Fi adapter manually. Click on Start. Open Settings. On the left, select Network and Internet. Open Advanced Network Settings. If you see your Wi-Fi network adapter disabled, then enable it. Method 4. Enable WLAN Auto-Config service. Click in Search. Type Services. Select Run as Administrator. In here, search for WLAN Auto-Config. Right-click and select Properties. Set Startup Type to Automatic and start the services. Then click on Apply and OK. Method 5. Reset network settings. Click on Start. Open Settings. On the left, select Network and Internet. Open Advanced Network Settings. Click on Network Reset. Select Reset Now and click on Yes. Close it and click on Start, then restart your PC. Method 6. Wi-Fi adapter. Right-click and open any browser. Copy-paste the link given in the description and press Enter. If nothing seems to work for you, you can simply buy an external Wi-Fi adapter. Connect it with your laptop or desktop. Your Wi-Fi icon will show up. Hopefully, this will fix your issue. See you in the next video.